Good morning, kids. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you? Happy? Sad? Angry? Cold? Hot? Disgusted? Hungry? Maybe you're hungry. Thirsty? Afraid? Scared? Oh, sleepy. Me? I am good. Okay. Now, today, what's the weather like outside? It's sunny. Yes, it's sunny. Today is sunny. We have the sun. Very good. Okay. Now, everyone, stand up. Stand up. We're going to do our song. What song is it? It's Walking. Okay, stand up. Okay. You ready?
Walking, hop, hop. Running. Now let's stop. Walking, hop, hop. Running. Now let's stop.
So jump.
Swimming. Now let's sleep.
Wake up! It's time to go. Ready to go super fast.
Okay. Walking, hop. Running. Now let's stop. Walking, hop. Running. Now let's stop.
We're tired. Okay. Good job. Now, everyone sit down. Everyone, let's sit down. Very good. Okay. Whew. That was tiring. Okay, kids. Today we will review our colors. Okay, so let's review our colors.
What colors do you like? What colors do you like? I like blue sky.
Okay, now this is the blue, the blue like the sky, very good. Now, this one is green like the grass, the grass where we play, okay? Okay, what color is this? It's purple, and a purple butterfly. See? Purple butterfly. Very good.
If you should ask, I like yellow.
This one, what color is this? It's yellow, a yellow daisy. This flower is called a daisy. Yellow daisy.
Red daisy. daisies too.
And this one is another daisy. It's red. Very good. The daisy is red. So we have yellow and red daisies.
Pink and orange sunsets, watching them with you.
Okay, what else do we have here? We also have the pink, orange, sunsets. Sunset is when the sun is going to sleep. Okay, it's called the sunset. Sunset. And it's going to sleep. Bye-bye, sun. Okay, and this is also called the evening.
Watching them with you, I like white, snowy white.
Okay, what color is this? White. White, like the snow. Yes, like the snow. See? Like the snow. White, like the snow.
Black of the night, I like the...
Okay, what is this? This is all dark. It's, what color is it? It's black. Black of the night. When we go to sleep, see, we have all the little stars here, and it's night.
Brown of the earth and the
What
ground.
color is this? This is brown. Brown. The earth is brown, and also the ground where we walk is brown.
What color?
See?
What
Colors.
colors do you like? What color?
Okay,
I agree.
now, what color is this? It's blue. Yes, like a blueberry pie. Like a blueberry pie. Good job. This is blue, like a blueberry pie.
I agree. Cabbage.
What color is this? This is green. Yes, and this is a cabbage. Green cabbage. Green cabbage. It's a vegetable that we eat, usually in pasta. Okay, usually with pasta.
Broccoli.
And broccoli. Yes, who likes broccoli? We also have broccoli. Yes, we also have broccoli is, yes, here you go. Broccoli. Broccoli is green. Good job.
I like yellow corn. Orange carrots too.
Okay, this is corn. Corn. What we make to make popcorn. Popcorn. Corn. Okay, what color is this? Yellow. Yellow corn. Yellow corn. Okay, what color are these? These are orange. Yes, they're orange. Orange. What vegetable is this? We had it in our vegetable garden, in our vegetable patch. What color was it? What vegetable is it? It's a carrot. Yes, carrot. Orange, carrots. Orange, carrots. Yellow, corn. Good job.
Two white mashed potato.
Okay, what is this? This is mashed potatoes. Potatoes. We have mashed potatoes. And what color is this? White. white. Good job.
Oh, and a brown gravy stew I like. Red strawberry.
What color is this? It's red. And what fruit is it? It's a very yummy, yummy fruit. They are strawberries. Strawberries. Very good. Strawberries.
And I like pink.
This is what color? What color is this? Purple. Purple. And these are grapes. 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 Purple grapes. Purple grapes are good too. Yes. Okay. This
Grapefruit.
is pink. 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 It's a pink grapefruit. 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 Sometimes it's a little sour. It's a little sour, yes.
What colors?
So, what colors do we have
What
here?
colors do you like?
Colors do you like?
Colors do you like? I like blue, blue, blue.
This is
I like
blue,
green,
green,
I like yellow,
yellow,
yellow.
orange,
I like the
red,
I like black,
black,
gray, and
gray,
white.
white,
I like purple,
purple,
I like pink,
pink,
I like brown.
brown. Okay, so what colors do you like? Me? I like blue. My favorite color is blue. What's yours? Let's repeat one more time, okay? Yellow, orange, green, blue, purple, black, pink, gray, white, orange, and red. Very good. Now, okay guys, now let's do a little game. Let's find, I see pink. What's pink? Yes, the tree is pink. The nests are pink. The banners are pink. The doors and the sweets are pink. The car is pink. The high heel is pink. This is pink. And the door is pink. Very good. Now, let's find something orange. Yes, let's find something orange. Orange. I see orange. What's orange? The slide is orange. The ball is orange. The sign is orange. The car, the tree, the cones, and the bucket is orange. Yes, these are orange. Now, let's find him. Okay, so now look for all the colors. Green, yellow, black, gray, brown, orange, purple, pink. Look for all the colors inside your house. Okay? I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. Have a nice day. And be on the lookout for all the colors. Bye.